Welcome back for my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 14th of August. This gold chart is still really interesting. A lot of volatility played out early part of this week. Market has now started to settle down a little bit. We've seen that the sharp decline, the sharp sell-off that we saw Tuesday and Wednesday morning rebounded into close Wednesday and then again higher yesterday. Back above 1940. Now that's an interesting level. That was an old low from a mini consolidation that we saw a couple of weeks ago. And we've started to see the market moving back above there today. Now, also interesting are the indicators starting to pick up, starting to stabilize, stochastics and the RSI specifically. And on the hourly chart, you can see that we're starting to build higher lows and higher highs in the last couple of days as well. So a sense of stability returning. 1940, this old level, back from a few weeks ago from a consolidation, is now becoming a basis of a pivot line. You could argue obviously 1938 being the actual low. Tested a couple of times, but it's a little mini breakout and then becomes supportive. So that's a line of initial support you need to look out for. Then you're looking at 1920, and I think 1906 is probably the level to really look for, because that is the first real reaction low following on from the first big sell-off. So at the moment, we are actually looking for a bit of a technical recovery taking hold, because again, MACD lines above neutral on the hourly, RSI above 60. So you're sort of taking onto a more of a, arguably a neutral configuration at the moment, but the fact that the market hasn't sort of turned back lower again, I think is important. Now, the big caveat for all of this, I think, is an announcement on the US fiscal support package, which apparently is still quite a long way off. So until that happens, I still think that there's a potential recovery that we are still seeing that could be playing out. And you'd be looking at 1966 being yesterday's high. It's been the first real resistance now. And then you'd be looking at 1980 to 1984. And beyond that, these old lows from 2015 area. So yeah, there is a prospect that a low could now be in place at 1863, but as I said again, there could still be just another lurch lower, but I think the market is in the process of bottoming out, and I think that this is part of the idea that this is going to be a medium-term buying opportunity in due course. But for now, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.